Hello folks, it's another beautiful Sunday, July 9, Wednesday. Okay, nandito kami sa bahay ngayon. It's home day today kasi in the past weeks, until yesterday, kasama namin yung leaders namin and nag-brainstorm, nagpla-planning on how to do our thing. But anyway, ano po itong session na to? The purpose of this session is actually to deliver to you yung mga nakukuha namin kay Coach Wong. Sometimes kasi napansin ko during the coaching session, maaaring hindi klaro because of some reasons. Yung connectivity dito sa Pilipinas talaga mahina pa rin. Yung ibang leaders namin na gusto mag-connect, hindi makakonect, o kaya yung mga leaders nakakonect na, choppy ang dating because of the connectivity. So, minarapat ko na i-highlight ko na lang topic by topic, i-deliver ko sa inyo as close as doon sa understanding ko during the session of Coach Bong. No? So gagawin ko, hihimayin ko each important topic, i-deliver ko sa inyo part by part para sa ganun, meron kayong pwedeng balikan time to time o kaya you can also share this amongst yourself sa mga leaders namin, sa mga members nyo, sa grupo nyo, o kaya you can also share this to your prospects just to give them an idea of what we're talking about. So anyway, before anything else, doon sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin, my name is Rosano, kaya ang tawag sa akin Sunny by family and friends. No? I got involved with direct selling MLM. Multi-level marketing pa ang tawag ngayon eh. Pero ngayon, network marketing na, di ba? Way back 2003, nung umuwi ako, kasi nagkaroon ng civil unrest sa Kenya, and nagkaroon ako ng 6 months break because of that experience. Nagtayo ako ng small restaurant sa Baguio, and araw-araw nakikita ko yung mga tables ko puno ng mga tao, nagbibilog-bilog sila. And then I got curious one day, and linapita ko yung isa, and she happens to be the wife of Edward Miguel, na naging kaibigan ko kasi very active sila sa Forever Living, so I got involved with it, okay, for some time. But again, after 6 months, I left the country again because, I had to go back to work. So, kinalimutan ko na Forever Living, but I met all the top guns during the 6 month period. So, kita sila Jun Quintanar, sila Francis Miguel, pinakilala po sa akin lahat yan ni Ed. And then, by 2010, umalis uli ako ng abroad. Umuwi ako kasi nagkaroon na naman ng Arab Spring, no? Affected ang Egypt that time. So, I had to migrate back, no? So, ang una kong ginawa is hinanap ko si Ed. And tinanong ko sa kanya, Ed, ano kung pwede kong gawin? Bakante ako ngayon. And during that time, kabubukas lang ng USANA Philippines, or USANA Health Sciences of Philippines. So, nakita yung office nila, ang laki ng office nila. So, I joined. Okay? And then, I even opened my product center dito sa Baguio City. No? And lahat ng mga top guns ngayon, the likes of Natsunyu, Mel Clarion, Caleb Edpao, and the rest, used to visit my office, and even Simon Chan, yung grand upline nila sa US, used to visit my office. So we were doing good, but for some reason, iniwan ko siya kasi nga, I had to go back again to work kasi I'm still quite young. And marketable pa ako sa overseas job market. Kinalimutan ko na naman ang LMM with regret. But again, call it destiny. Talagang yun ang gusto ni Lord, di ba? So fast forward 2019, when I decided to retire from my corporate work, I went back to my hometown, Baguio City, and by that kasi I already have my MBA degree. I think I remember kinuha ko to nung 2011 to 2012, something between that time. Habang nagtuturo ako sa university, I got my MBA and I was teaching in the College of Business Administration at the same time. So, after that, again, iniwan ko na naman ang USANA, as I mentioned, kasi I went back to my overseas work. But again, I was proud kasi meron din naman ako achievement kahit pa paano. Nakuha ko yung MBA ko before going back to corporate life. So from 2014 or 15, I went back to corporate life and I ended up retiring from my work 2019 na. Forward, 1 year before the pandemic, sabi ko ayoko na mag-corporate, I'm done. I've had enough, so I want, something else. So So, bumalik ako ng Pilipinas 2019. Nagturo ako sa College of Business Administration and I was also teaching in the grad school. And at the same time, I was already pursuing my PhD in management. Malapit na ako matapos, folks. Thesis writing na lang at saka defense ang dapat ko tapusin. So anyway, pandemic 2020, di ba? So, I got involved with network marketing again October 2023 because between 2021 or 2022 nung nag-open up na naman ekonomiya natin, we opened up our food shops and mini grocery dito sa aming area. Pero, sabi ko with my partner, I don't think traditional business is for us anymore because of our age. Hindi na namin nakikita yung financial freedom at saka personal freedom na hinahanap namin. Kasi we want to travel, we want to meet people, and hindi namin magagawa yan kasi we have to watch our shops, our businesses day and night. And nakakapagod din. And the competition between similar business ang laki, lalo na pag meron pang 7-Eleven na nagtayo sa oh my god, that's really it's a big challenge for us. So in short, we said goodbye to traditional business and ayaw na namin. Okay. So we embraced our first direct selling MLM company in October 2023 and we did good for almost 2 years. No? However, unfortunately, we were not taught the right way. We realized this, me and my partner. Nalaman namin to na hindi kami tinuruan the right way. Despite of that, we still made it. Kahit papano, kumita kami kahit papano. But then, it was not enough for us. Kasi we felt that, hindi kami nakasandal sa pader na, stable. So, fortunately, we found NanoCell. Nag-research ako from January 2025, but actually, it's already July. I'll cut this story. I will give you my story about me and NanoCell later on, how we started with NanoCell. But anyway, our topic for today is, the business of network marketing is actually developing strong leadership skills. Yun ang una kong narinig kay Coach Bong last Saturday. So, pumasok sa mind ko yun and I try to analyze, kasi, network marketing is not just a product business. Actually, it's a leadership development business. Kung isipin natin mabuti, no? It's not the product. It's about relationship. It's about building relationship. It's about developing your skill as a leader. Kasi, to make it big in this industry, to be successful, you have to be a good leader. So, tama ba yung statement na yan? No? Let's look at the facts, no? I tried to search on successful network marketing leaders dito sa Pilipinas and I found a few of them. No? Napansin ko, over time, since they started their careers sa MLM, they became good leaders. Nakikita ko sila sa YouTube, they speak in front of large crowds. Isa na dyan si Francis Miguel. I enjoy his leadership. Marami ako natututunan sa kanya. Nakikita ko siya sa YouTube, yung mga delivery niya, yung mga insights niya, very valuable, but at the same time, habang pinalaki niya yung grupo niya, he also made it big, he became very successful. So, nandiyan yung nabanggit ko kanina, batang-bata, Billy De La Fuente from Usana. Nag-e-evolve na yung career niya from, from entrepreneur to becoming a business leader, motivational speaker. So, nandiyan din yung batang-batang Joseph Lim, no? Na humahatak ng large crowd. Sinasama niya. Actually, he already left his group with AIM Global. Nag-shift na siya sa another company. And I really heard, hinatak niya about, I don't know if I'm really accurate, 60 to 70% of his group from that company to his new group. So, kita niyo po, leadership skill is getting him or is bringing him to good places, no? Bakit kaya, no? Kasi sa network marketing, as I said, it's a relationship and people helping business, no? As your team grows, nagiging role model ka kasi. Hindi ka lang para sa income, hindi sa attitude, sa discipline, at dun sa vision mo and the vision of your group. Kaya karamihan sa atin, nagsisimula ng magbasa ng self-help books. Like ako, I really enjoy self-help books or makikinig sa mga successful mentors, both local and international. So, if you want to be successful in this field, you need to start, searching. Marami naman sa internet and you can get them for free. YouTube, you have audiobooks. Google Books, you have self-help books. You can download them for free. Tapos makinig kayo sa mga, successful mentors. So that's the way I do it also. Why strong leadership equals success in network marketing? Bakit related po yung strong leadership and success in network marketing? Number one, duplication is key. Hindi mo kayang gawin lahat mag-isa. Unlike traditional business na na-experience namin, mag-isa kang dumidiskarte, mag-isa kang nag-iisip, para, you can compete with your competition. Kapag na-duplicate mo yung sarili mo, which is in network marketing, then that's when the real growth starts. Isipin natin for a while, I can relate network marketing to franchising. Lahat ng kanto natin puno ng BDO, lahat ng kanto natin puno ng Petron or Shell, lahat ng kanto puno ng McDonald's, Jollibee's, mga inasal, malls. For me, this is the same banana, iba-iba lang yung dressing. Okay? You duplicate yourself para sa ganon, use the power of leverage. Kasi ito po yung ginagamit ng mga global brands ngayon. Tulad yung mga nabanggit ko sa inyo. People follow people, not products. Na-prove ko na po to. It is true. No? Hindi produkto ang pinag-uusapan ng karamihan. Tao po. Kung may vision ka, integrity at malasakit, susundin ka nila kahit saan ka magpunta. And nakikita na namin the truth behind this kasi ginagamit po yung pangalan namin ngayon, my partner and myself, para makapag-join sa NanoCell. Imagine, they are using our name to entice other people to join NanoCell. So, ano po ibig sabihin nun? We have been a good role model kasi sa aming previous company. Ano pa? Resiliency is contagious. No? Rejection, setbacks, normal po yan. Pero kung leader ka na may tamang mindset, nakakahawa ang positivity sa buong team. Okay lang po ang rejections. No? In the words of Coach Bong, huwag kang magluluksa pag may umalis na leader sa'yo. Hindi mo kawalan yan. Huwag kang magluluksa kasi he or she might be not the right person for you or hindi siya right fit for you. So, like lately, may umalis. And then, after 24 hours, bumalik. Meron naman isang umalis din. Pero after, I think, 72 hours, bumalik. So, hindi mo po masabi. So, wag po kayong magluluksa. Okay? Setbacks, rejections is just normal. Kung meron mang umalis for good, so be it. Pabayaan nyo lang. Start building again. Leaders build culture. Hindi ka lang basta upline. Ikaw ang nagsaset ng tono. Leaders create communities na may support, trust, and growth mindset. Okay, yun po yung tono natin when you're growing your group. Bottom line, the stronger your leadership, the bigger and more stable your team becomes. Totoo po yan. Ang tunay na MLM ay hindi pagbebenta ng kung ano-anong produkto. Papalago po ng mga leaders. Ibig sabihin, if you have leaders on your left and on your right side, help them grow. That means their success is your success. Yun po ang natututunan namin ngayon with Coach Bong. Hindi po namin natutunan to in our previous company. Tinuruan kami doon magbenta. Nakakapagod. Now, we are being taught how to build leaders. We are being taught how to tap potential leaders to help us grow our group. Ganon din po ang magiging mindset ng aming leaders sa baba namin. Okay? Duplication is key. Kung ano yung mindset namin, yun din ang mindset nila pababa. So, how can you go wrong? In the words of Coach Bong, mag-autopilot po ang business nila. Okay? Now, kung gusto nyo makamit ang tagumpay, ito po, very important. Bitawan nyo emotional baggage nyo. tanggalin mo yan. Kasi if you still have this, I think mahihirapan ka lang sa ganitong klaseng hanap buhay. Kasi puro ka emotional baggage. Tanggalin niyo po yan. You have to be positive. You don't have to be negative. Ang hirap po kasi pag masyadong mabigat yung emotional baggage. Ang hirap umangat. Ang hirap mag-move forward. Kasi yun at yun. Now, sa part namin ng partner ko, we have been carrying an emotional baggage for some time. To the point na nakukwento namin ito sa NanoCell management. Nakukwento namin kay Sir Nico and all the rest. Pero we're just releasing our emotional baggage. But it took us some time to remove all of this from us. So right now, kinalimutan na namin lahat yan eh. Normal lang po yun kasi we were in a transition period between the old company and NanoCell. So emotional baggage namin doon sa old company, dala-dala namin eh. So it's a healing process kasi. So we were given the chance and the time to heal. So right now, I would say 99.9% healed na kami. So we're ready to move on. And please, do not or never attack or backstab your upline. I was quite guilty of this before. Nung nag-join ako sa iyo, medyo may konting tampuhan. Pero I realized, it doesn't help. Hindi ka dapat nakatingin sa taas, hindi ka dapat nakatingin sa left or right side mo. Dapat nakatingin ka lang sa baba. How to grow your group. That is the secret. Kahit gaano ka pakagaling, kung hindi ka marunong gumalang sa upline mo, mahirapan kang igalang ng mga downlines. Okay? So let's build something that lasts through leadership, integrity, and unity. Resilience and mindset are contagious. Nabanggit ko na yan. Here, sa network marketing, we build communities. We don't just build teams. Okay? Right now, we're building groups. We have about, right now, I can say we have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups na dinidevelop. So, you can call this as a group, you can call this as a team. Pero later on, pag lumaki po itong mga grupo na to, each and every group na pinalalaki natin or palalakihin nyo, will evolve into large communities. Yan po kung bakit namamayagpag ang mga ibang good MLM companies dito sa Philippines, because it starts with 1 or 2 and it becomes a group, it becomes a team, and then nagiging large communities na siya. Okay? So, pagka communities na siya, the more na dapat maging good leader ka. Sa group and team effort, you already must have the good leadership skills. What more pagka large communities na yung group? So, the more you have to have good leadership skills. Bottom line, the better leadership, mas malaki at mas matibay ang organizations mo. Dahil ang totoong network marketing hindi pang push ng tao, kundi paghubog ng mga bagong leaders na marunong hindi magpalaki ng mga leaders. In short, the better your leadership, the bigger and stronger your organization grows, because network marketing is not about pushing people. So if you're ready to join our team, EPB team, we call it Team EPB, continuous training po dito. Or if you're already in our team, member ka na in our team EPB, I would like to remind you na continuous training po ito. Hindi po ito like parang high school or college, pag-graduate mo, that's it. This is a continuous training for leaders. Kasama na kami doon. Hindi po natatapos ang training natin. Continuous improvement, continuous training ang mindset natin dito. Okay. You must attend our training. Either you attend our Team Supreme or NanoCell sponsored training. Okay? Team building po ito. If you don't attend any of these trainings, how do you expect to be a team player? Are you expecting to be successful? How? You cannot do it alone. You have to do it as a team. So, ang training sessions natin, ang coaching sessions natin, promotes team building. So you have to join our trainings. It's not enough po that you go out and meet your prospects. Okay? You have to back up your effort with training and coaching. So ang kulit namin, sorry if makulit kami sa aming messaging sa inyo, kasi we just want to remind you every now and then kung gaano ka-importante ang training and coaching ng ating leaders. Kasi this is for free. Lalo-lalo na free po ito. All you have to do is click the Zoom link, drop everything unless it's urgent, listen for 1 or 2 hours, take notes, learn so that you can apply it in your group. So if you're planning to be successful in our team, I'm sorry to say this, you really have to join our training and coaching session. Because if you don't, I wouldn't know how to help you guys. No, sorry for saying this. Sa traditional business, like this experience namin, palagay ko sa mga ibang leaders namin na experience na to, nag-iisa ka dumiskarte eh. No? Pero, ang kalaban mo lagi, competition mo, pero ikaw mag-iisip. Dito sa network marketing, nakaset na yung system, nakaset na yung product. Wala kang competition except your crossline. In essence, network marketing, pabilisan po ang duplication dito ng sarili mo. I would say time is gold. So, kung medyo, mabagal ka na and hindi ka pa nag-attend ng training, paano po yan? Now, if you're not yet in our team, and you're committed to make network marketing as your long-term career, tulad ko, retired from my corporate job, but now this is my, I would say, retirement work. And you're willing to, do this to build your savings. Kaya nga sinasabi natin, health is wealth. You can have good wealth, or I say you can have good health, but how can you sustain your health if you don't have sufficient wealth? No? So that's how I interpret health and wealth. Health is wealth. Okay, you need proper food, you need proper housing, you need proper vehicle, you need proper medicine, you need proper anything to sustain your health, lalong-lalo na pag nagkakaedad ka na. Mahal po magkasakit sa Pilipinas. So you have to have that wealth. Of course, we have our training coaching sessions by Coach Bong Mangahas. All these are conducted through Zoom links, no? Meron din tayong table talk discussions designated, in specific coffee shops at specific cities and municipalities. We will discuss this more in a separate session. No, we maximize our Zoom meetings. We maximize our centering sessions like coffee shop, table talk sessions to increase our membership. Kasi po, once we see na nag-increase na yung membership nyo sa area nyo, whether it's Sanchez Mira, whether it's Ilocos, Lawag, whether it's in Quirino, pag nakita po namin na meron na kayong significant number of memberships, pupunta po kami dyan together with management, and we will hold, or we will, conduct an event sponsored by the company to help you, grow your groups further. Huh? So, proven na po ang effectiveness ng technology in network marketing. Nag-evolve na po ang network marketing together with technology. So, I'd like to stress the importance of technology and network marketing. Widespread po ngayon, like what I'm doing now. In a short while, makikita nyo dito sa YouTube. So, you can always contact us, at 945-570-8711. You can contact Edna, or you can, visit our Facebook profile, facebook.com/ednalin1919. And I hope I have given you the information that Coach Bong wanted to convey to you people. Until the next topic, and God bless.